Hello everyone, welcome to External Star channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing and then reviewing this beautiful Mercedes-Benz model from Norev. It's in 1:18 scale, actually in this blue nice box. And what can you see actually here is the type of the car, which is this Mercedes-Benz 200 from 1968 in a black color. Of course, I'm only collecting black, and this is one of them. Here you can see that there is this holograph, or I don't know how to call it, a stamp, proving that this is really a licensed product by Daimler. And yeah, it was produced under this license, so everything is okay. And now the first thing that I will really do is I will take it out of the box, so bear with me. I'm just opening it now for the first time. So it's a beautiful, nice styrofoam box, and as I said, it's transparent. And what I will need to do is to cut it. So we have some tape here. Oh, maybe I can just remove it with my fingers, with my fingernails. So let me just try. Yeah, let me try. Sometimes it's working nice. Maybe not this time. Let's see. Oh, so one half of it, and now the second half. Let me maybe be more careful. All right, so it's now done, and let me remove it. Oh, so such a nice color. This black color is really awesome, and also this emblem, and hopefully also the interior. Of course, we will check it all, but the first thing is probably I would need to remove here 4 screws that are at the bottom. So let me use my favorite screwdriver, which is this one from LCD, and now carefully removing those screws. It shouldn't be very difficult. Oh, they are quite deep. Alright, so that was the last one. Now let me just place it here, and we don't need this styrofoam anymore, and all the screws I will just put it back to the box. Alright, let's also remove the screw. Look at how long they are. They are really long. But now back to this model. Yeah, so wow, it's really nice. Yeah, and I love it. I can already tell you that here the door handles are really nice and solid. Yeah, they look really awesome. Here, all the frames here, it's not just a fake sticker, it's really a piece that is very nicely painted with the chrome, and also here in the black in the back. Yeah, it looks really awesome. So I would also need to remove here the smaller stickers. Maybe you see them. Yeah, they usually hold the doors. So one of them is here. Oh, but they leave some stains. You see it? So you can still see it. That's the problem usually with Norev, that there are such stains there. Yeah, there is this part now. It's quite visible on black paint. So I would need to polish it, maybe wax it again. I don't know what else, but usually it's very painful. Here in the front, they actually put 2 and 2, so really many stickers. Feels like it's completely wrapped into some kind of transparent foil or tape. Yeah, not really nice. So I will now continue, but I need to be careful not to destroy this small logo, this emblem, Mercedes-Benz star, because if I destroy it, it would be a disaster. Usually you can buy a new Mercedes-Benz star on eBay. It costs only about I don't know, $5 plus additional $5 postage, but it doesn't always fit. Yeah. Oh, and here removing this tape, this is also terrible. So let me just use my fingernails again. All right, here no stain. Yeah. Okay, so that's very good. And then there are also two in the back. So let me just remove them. Oh, I will not use this tool here because I could easily damage it, scratch it. So just my hands. Oh, and really it's not that easy to get it, to peel it off. Yeah, here it's really complicated. Yeah, look at that. And it's still there partly, and I'm not able to peel it off completely. So what I will try to do is now to finish this other side, and hopefully it will be a bit easier. No, it's really a painful exercise, yeah? Okay, so finally I removed all those stickers, and now we can finally enjoy the review. So let me start here in the front, yeah, where we have this nice front grille, which is actually not really perforated, but we have this small logo here and this Mercedes-Benz star and very beautiful headlights. Yeah, so I like the style of 1968 Mercedes-Benz. It was really a time when they produced extraordinary design. Then here we have the front wheels. They turn, they spin, of course. Oh, they spin very nicely. Look at this, yeah, very nice quality. And as I said, all the pieces here, like this door handle, the frame around the windows, and even the side mirror, they look awesome. Really, really nice job. And usually I'm also testing the suspension here. So there's suspension working in the front, same in the rear. Look at that from this angle. Really, wow, this is working so nicely. And then in the back, what I really love is this license plate, a German one, BAX 604. We have here the 200 for the Mercedes-Benz 200, another logo here, and then we would probably be able to open the trunk. Just wait for it. We have very beautiful tail lights. Also here the bumper, it's not only chrome, but there is also this imitation of rubber. Yeah, so it really, if you hit another car, same here in the front, then you will not destroy your beautiful Mercedes-Benz. Yeah, so very nicely done. Again, from both sides it's the same. Now just a detail of the wheel here with a huge star in the middle. And now let's really start opening it. Yeah, so maybe we should start here in the front. So you are really opening the whole cover here, and there's an engine inside. Look at those details. Maybe you love them, maybe not, but I personally find it amazing. So we have multiple parts, multiple colors here. Again, there is on this radiator there is this sticker with some additional details. I love it. And here we have a gray engine with some compartments here for the oil. You have a red cap, very nice. Yeah, so overall, I must say, engine area is nice. What we can also check here is the trunk. So hopefully I will manage to open it. Yeah, very good. So inside, no carpeting. However, there is a spare tire. I hope you can see it, at least from this angle. Yeah, it's a bit dark here, but you can still see the spare tire, hopefully. And Can you take it out? Probably not. I will not do it. It's quite a huge trunk, yeah, so unexpected. And then let me also open the doors for you so that you can really see what is inside of this model. The front door, the rear door, and then also I will do the same on the other side. We have this nice beige interior. I love it. Actually, when I touched here the seats, it's just plastic, so no real leather like on my other high-end models. But when you see the door panels, they are quite okay. We have the door handles here. Oh, there is also carpeting inside, so nicely done. This rear seat looks fabulous. Also here we have the seat belts. Same here in the front, not that visible, but behind this B pillar there is also a seat belt. We have nice headrest, and of course the steering wheel, which is connected to the wheels. So when I'm turning the wheels, of course it's also turning the steering wheel. And what else we have inside? So maybe let's check it out from the other side. Maybe we will have a better angle to view the dashboard and all the things that are here on this car. So there's a nice compartment here, door handle here, and here we have another handle to take down the glass here, the windows. But other than that, I mean, there is not that much gauges, clusters. There is a speedometer, but it's quite simple. Back in 1968, of course, no big LCD screens. You have just the steering wheel. You have the, is it manual transmission or automatic? Maybe it's even manual. And then there is maybe air conditioning, manual one, and that's it. Don't expect miracles. So this is also not the highest model of Mercedes-Benz, which was usually the 300. This is 200. So I would compare it to maybe a C-Class nowadays. So not really a huge car. And back then really the cars were a bit smaller. So even if maybe now you compare it to C-Class, the C-Class would be larger, longer, all the measures would be just larger. But back then, if you own some of these real German or West Germany cars, you would be a king, especially for people living in the east of Europe. After 1968, it was not possible to import any of those Mercedes-Benz cars. So if you saw one, you were really lucky. And now from today's perspective, they are really vintage and highly valued. So maybe one thing I've also forget to show you is the undercarriage. So let me first close all the doors. So we saw the interior already. So let me close this and that. And let me also close here the trunk and the engine bay. And now the view on the undercarriage. So I will be careful. And you see that we have this exhaust and going here to the engine, really a long one, a gray one. Other than that, not that much visible. Only here, look at this working suspension. So it's really quite nice, but I don't think it really reflects the reality. The details are quite poor in terms of what you see. So here's some plastic pieces, quite flat, but they work very nicely. So now I don't know what you prefer, if it works nicely or if it looks okay and realistic. I personally love a compromise, something between. So here it's working, so it's driving very well. Wow, this car, I love this model. Definitely I will keep it. And now maybe it's time for you to tell me in the comments if you love it as well, or if you see some mistakes on this car, because I personally I don't see any issues. Oh, maybe here, if I have a close look, no. I thought there is a gap, but again here between the doors, the gap is so minimal. Yeah, I really love it. Yeah, so not really huge gaps anywhere. It fits. It's like almost real quality or auto art quality, but the price is so favorable. So just guess how much I paid for it. So yeah, I paid 80 euro. Yeah, you are right, 80 euro, while other companies are maybe charging 200 euro for a similar quality model. I paid only 80, which is a nice, decent price, and this is why I was able to buy this one. Actually, from Poland, yeah, so there is a Polish retailer selling black ones. So other than that, you can only find other colors, but here in Poland, I ordered this one in a black color, which is also great. Yeah, so I'm only collecting black Mercedes-Benz and sometimes with two-tone colors. Of course, this one is now black. Yeah, so I'm very happy. And thank you for watching, guys. Now, next time, I'm not sure what I will review, but again, thank you. This one is great. I recommend it. Now, let's have some chat in the comments and see you next time. Thanks and bye-bye.